Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho with Shopify. So we're going to integrate these two apps using Zapier. So first go to zapier.com/dashboard and click on create a Zap, and then here select your trigger. So our trigger will be Shopify, and then select your event. So our event will be new customer, and then you have to connect your Shopify account with Zapier. Just allow the access, enter your store name. So I'm just going to see my store name over here, and that's my store name. Click on continue to Shopify. Now click on install app. Alright, so that's done, and then let's list our trigger. So I don't have any customers, so I'm just going to skip this, and then let's select our action. So our action will be Zoho, and then choose your event, click on continue, and then connect with your Zoho account. And then after that, all you have to do is publish your Zap, and then you will be able to integrate Zoho with Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.